So, ngayon guys, ilagay natin yung ating, garlic. We're going to put our garlic. Yan po. Put your garlic. Then, i-mix siya. And, lagay natin yung ating ginger. Put our ginger. Po. Yan. Ihalo natin mabuti. Bigyan lang natin ng mga ilang minuto na maluto yung garlic tsaka ginger. Just leave it, the ginger and the garlic is turn light brown. Okay. So guys, ilagay na natin yung ating, yung bell pepper po. Ilagay natin yung ating bell pepper. Ayan. Ihalo natin mabuti yung ating bell pepper. Ayan po. Pagkatapos ay tapos ating ihalo ay lagyan natin siya ng a teaspoon of sesame oil, then a teaspoon of sherry cooking wine, and then teaspoon of oyster sauce. This is optional. Pwede nyo lagyan, pwede nang hindi. Yan, teaspoon. And then teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning po. Tapos we'll spring a ground black pepper like this, and then haluin nyo na lang siya ganon. Yan. Just let it cook the bell pepper. Yaan na lang siyang maluto yung bell pepper, okay? Meron akong ginagdag guys na kale sa stir fry ko na chicken. Wala sa plano pero sabi ko ilagay ko na lang to sa sa bell pepper. So, yan. Tayo siya na maluto ng maayos yung kale, okay? Guys, I set aside my vegetables right here. Let's set aside ko muna. Then, I put 2 tablespoons again on the butter. And hayaan na lang natin siya na mag-init. Na mag-melted pala. Hayaan natin siya mag-melted. Tapos, lagay natin yung ating chicken. Okay? So, guys, ayan. Nilagay ko na yung ating chicken. Yan. Hayaan na lang maluto yung ating chicken. Okay? Just let the chicken cook. Yan. Hayaan na lang siya na maluto yung chicken. Alright. Just let the chicken cook. So guys, ito na yung ating chicken. So, lagyan natin siya ng paminta. Yan. Tapos lagyan natin siyang konting sherry. Tapos sesame oil. Saka oyster sauce. Saka yung ating all-purpose seasoning. So, nag-create siya ng juice. Yan, Ihalo natin siya mabuti. Yan po. Yan. Hiyaan na lang natin siya na yung sabaw niya matuyo, yung juice niya na matuyo. Hayaan natin siya na matuyo yung sabaw. Okay? Just let the juice dry. Na matuyo yung tuyo yung sabaw niya. Just let the juice is dry. So I put it back my vegetable and mix it to the chicken. Yan po. Binalik ko siya. Yan po. This is look delicious, guys. Oh my goodness, it's delicious. Delicious, guy. Promise this is delicious, guy. You have to try to cook this one, guys. So yummy and delicious, guys. Yummy and delicious. This is my stir-fried chicken with kale and bell pepper. So guys, thank you for watching on this video, and please hit likes if you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more video, and God bless us. Thank you. So dinner is served is I have here the chicken stir fry with pinto beans and my red rice. Alright guys, kain na tayo. Nagugutom na ako. Thank you for watching.